Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Solo theme. And today we are going to talk about top container setting or features. What is the top container? The top container, it's a region, contain sub-regions in the Solo theme. And if you visit the site, this is the site. Let's revert everything and refresh the site. So when I see this, when I visit the site, this is the top container sub-regions. The top container, it's the whole thing, this section. The sub-region top container, which this one top 1, top first container, top second, top third. I try to make the name more kind of match together. So these are just sub-regions inside the main region. And inside this one, and of course, any of these regions, you're not gonna see the whole thing if you don't have any item or any blocks inside any of these containers or regions. And the option, when you click on these options, so the top container by default can have 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 blocks. So as here. So the options, because you can have on the home page printed 3 blocks, and when you click on any other page, for example, you have just 2 blocks and instead of 3. So that's the scenario. It could be like, or it could be 1 or something like that. So you always gonna have the option 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, we don't worry about them. 1, it's always gonna be 100%. But if you have 2, that's what you get the option. So what if I have 2? So let's play with this one and see exactly. So I'm just gonna go here and block layout, and I'm gonna disable one of the blocks. And actually we can make it so this one, it only show on the home page. On the other page it doesn't show. Let's do that. So we have the 2 option with us. Show for the listed pages and click, and I'm gonna visit the site. Actually still setting. So I visit, I still have 3, but if I click on any page, let's open this page, I should have 2 blocks. And that's what I'm talking about here. So what is that setting here? In the old theme, you didn't have a control over the 2. So either you get 50-50 or 33-33-33. So that's the options by default, and you don't have a control over them, which I figured sometimes some people want some control over these regions percentage wise, and that's where the option comes. So in the top container, so I have it the default 50-50, but if you choose to change it to 80-20, these are the options you have. So let's do this one for 2, and for 3 let's do this one, and these are the options. I'm gonna make sure in the top, yeah, this is the top, and then click save, and I'm waiting until it's saved, and I'm gonna refresh the page, and then we see this is a new feature and also has been added, and this is what you get now. So you get now, I divided 33 to 67, and the 3 also it changed. So here you have a control over the regions. And not only that, I added more features. So in some areas where the region or the tab I want it to be visible on the home page or all pages or something, or so this is the option where it comes here, visible on all pages or home only, or visible all pages except home. So all pages home only, or all pages except home, the opposite pretty much. And that's what it is. So if I click, for example, so this all pages except home, if I click this one, you're not going to see it in home anymore. So if I go to the home, it shouldn't be there anymore. I'm waiting for the save. Yeah, here it is. Doesn't exist anymore. The top region. So this is the setting for the top container, the options you have. And as you notice, I don't know, when you have a green, those are nested. They have nested subregions inside them. The other option you have this one. So I figured out lots of people also try to do rounded or not rounded or something like that. So this is where add some kind of rounding around the edges. This one here. So if you want to add, change the kind of the layout, this option here. This is the other option. Another option what we have here in top container, and this one, select to enable rounding, and then to any animation of the region. So this one for the animation. So if I check this one and just save, and you will see now the animation start. I have it in the old theme, but also same thing. You see this animation? That's the animation. This is also in your hand by a click. And another option you have, which is I think also cool, lots of people ask for it, is how to add border around it. So if you check this one, you add in borders, 1 pixel borders around, here is the regions. So all these features are didn't exist before in the old theme, and now you have it in the new theme. And all click. I hope you like these features, and see you in the next one.